Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talk about PC sales. We got some numbers from IDC and Gartner, and of course we have seen in the pandemic and at the beginning of 2020 a surge in PC sales. People needed to have new computers to work from home, and so it was expected that the PC sales would actually go down this year. They're going down a little faster than probably was expected, as PC sales in the second quarter 15% down year over year. Now it's still a pretty good number because the second quarter PC sales are 71 million PCs, so that's still a very good number, and we're still not that far from the peak and the height of the PC sales from the early 2000s. So numbers are still good, but they're on the decline. And many factors apparently on this, the lockdowns in China, the possible recession in the economy that now more and more people are talking about. So all these uncertainties and also having a hard time getting parts to make these PCs are all draining and making the PC market go down a little bit. Now, IDC says that in 2023, it expects that the PC market will start growing again. So this is going to be interesting to see. But definitely, we're kind of back in a PC era as people notice that they do need new computers. It'll be interesting to see in the future also the impact of Windows 10, Windows 11, what will happen with that on PC sales. So who are the biggest PC makers in the world? Well, Lenovo is still top at 24.6% of all PC sales. HP is second at 18.9%. Dell 14%. Acer 6.9%. Apple at 6.7%. And Asus at 6.6%. So we can say that basically the three big PC makers are Lenovo, HP, and Dell. They are really the ones that are dominating the PC sales. So this is going to be interesting, and I'd be curious to know of all of these PCs that were sold, how many of them have Windows 10, how many of them have Windows 11. These would be interesting numbers actually to have, not just PC sales, but what operating system was on those PCs when they were purchased. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.